All right, real quick, I'm just gonna tell everything I was doing. This bolt off, that connects to the control arm. This bolt connects to that, it's off. You don't have to, I did it because I told you I was doing something else. So this whole control arm over here connects to this, and we need to take this bolt off. But it's not gonna come off because it's long, it's gonna hit this. So we need this axle connected to the diff, and we need to open the, take two diff bolts out, just enough to push it a little bit high here to take this all the way out. So in order to do that, we need to open these bolts, one here, one on the other side, just like this, symmetrical. But this bolt is not gonna come off. That way, you need to take the sway bar off or loosen it from up here. That's the bolt I cut right there. Beach. So take this off now, put this on jack stand, push it a little bit lower or higher. Yeah, push it a little higher, and then take this off. That's it. And then redo everything that you did and put the new control arms over here that I have. That's it. Home Depot run. This food. Stay protected. Yeah. Adjustable. The longer this is comparing to this, the factory or the OEM one, it's raining still. Everything's soggy. It's disgusting. I hate it. But fuck it. I'm trying to get this done. If this is longer than this, you're gonna have negative camber, meaning that your wheel's gonna sit like this. If it's shorter, your wheel's gonna sit in like this. This is normal, negative, positive camber. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you don't worry about it. But this is adjusted like this. I'm gonna make these bolts come to here, all the way to here, so these don't go up and down no more. So this height is fixed, you know what I mean? So that's that. I'm gonna throw it back on and everything should be good. It's off here, no lower control arm, sits here to all the way there. That side still has this, as you can see. I needed this. This is an 18, you need this. And I ended up taking taking 1, 2, and then 1 in the center, bolt off of the differential. So it's not 2 bolts you're gonna take off of the differential, it's 3 bolts actually. And then jack it all the way up so the bolt comes out of lower control arm all the way. Alright, quick little update. The control arm is on, lower control arm. It was a smooth process, but it was a lot of steps, and I knew what I was doing, so it was smooth. Make sure you know what you're doing before you tackle this. I lowered my car a little bit more, as you guys know, but I just wanted to take the time to show you guys how crazy this thing is right here. This is how close I am. This was sitting inside of this one. It was like this one was here, but I ditched a couple of the adjusters. Now I only have the bottom one on the top, as you can see, the red one. So it's sitting like that over there. These are just OEM ones. Everything looks good. I got some brand new bolts for my, how do you say it, for my sway bar. Alright, how's it going? Today we are installing sway bars. I mean, for now just the rear one. I'm getting the front one later. This is a UUC rear sway bar. Shout out AVL. This one is 23 millimeter diameter, and also it changes the end links with solid end links. As you can see, it's just metal, no bushing, no nothing. So it should be good. We just have to take that one off. Putting it back on is just the reverse. So I'll just explain how it comes off. And putting back on is, again, just reverse. So 13 millimeter right here. Boom. You gotta hold it from one side, open it from the other side, both sides. And then we have the sway bar going here and an end link going up and attached to the higher control, upper control arm. But up here, like up here on top of it, like if your hand goes in there, on top of this, there's a bolt that allows you to take this off. Looks something like that. Alright, so you gotta take that one bolt off on the top and take it out as a whole unit. Because this one's a gasket, and I would bet you it's a bitch to take off. But, I mean bushing. But we ditching the bushings, as you can see. We don't have to worry about cracks like this anymore because we have solid, but might wanna consider reinforcing this just because there's more pressure on this now, alright? But as of right now, I think it should be good. We are going to take this one off. Just a better look of the bolt right here. That's the bolt that you need to take off so it releases this down here. You could look, take your suspension off and all that stuff, your coilovers from down here. That way you have better access, but I think it should be good. It says 13 apparently. So I messed up forgetting to record when they were both out. This one's not fully in, but I just have to tie in the nuts, that's it. As you can see, this is super skinny, and then this one is just beefy, alright? That's the first thing you realize. This one is way thicker and way more solid, and it's not gonna flex as much. Second thing you realize is these. This is poly right here, but this is just normal bushing that is softer. Again, another thing that causes less flexibility, less flexing. Also here, as you can see, it's again bushings here, solid. It's just like ball joint. So that's another thing that reduces flex. This just stiffens the rear end a lot, and also has like 2 different settings that you can do, and then this is adjustable going up and down. Definitely this is an upgrade. Putting it out, I had to take out the exhaust. As you can see, it's just dangling. Over there is open, over there is loosened and out. As you can see, those are 2 bolts. But yeah, it came out pretty easy. Going in was easier again for some reason, and then that thingy needs to go in a hole like this. This goes in the hole, this goes in the hole, and then this little thingy goes on the upper control arm. Over there are 2 holes, one this, other one this little thing. That way when you spin it, this doesn't spin around. So make sure you do that. And then you put these in first, and then those. So you gotta angle it like this, put it in, go up.
You see me pulling up so mean, but I'm clean though. Smoking on the best wood you never seen, ho. And I don't give a fuck about none of these scene hoes. I pulled off so quick, she ain't even know. Hold up, bitch, quit talking while I roll up. All black whip, cause I mixed every color. I ain't Chief Keef, but it still goes skid at the dub. I don't give a fuck about who you are. 240 boys coming through like a race car. She said, Zay, do you wanna go and hit the bar? I said, no, bitch, I'm only here to set the bar. Real talk, fuck y'all, I don't give a fuck now. Who? Now you can see it in her face, all she wanna do is touchdown, touchdown. Let me smoke a blunt now, sit down, girl, I don't wanna hear shit now. All you little rappers need a hit now, I don't give a shit, I can make a hit without my damn fist out. What now, why he looking pissed out? I can care more about the year and then I piss out. And any of you niggas with your neck out, talking shit.
made it up. My GoPro died. I should have charged both of my batteries, but I'm stupid. These guys making TikTok. I'm not gonna talk about that. This thing's on bags. Super sick. We got that. We got this guy.
Professor 328, baby.
Yeah. Simon. Got another 36. That guy's chilling. And this is the setup.
15 people who's got the driver's seat. We don't know what's going on. Yeah. Hey, they're standing on your car right now. Yeah. This is our address. You should come here. Yeah.
And these TikTok boys over there. Get that. I don't want that. I want to get that. You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm just checking my lugs. I just switched.
For sure. That's good. That's good.
Making sure
What the fuck? It's sick. I mean, they're doing their thing. And then a couple more cars over there. All one E46 and RX-7s. This thing's sick too. Sick ass. That car, yep. That's what we got. Now everyone pulled up this side.